Echinacea, often referred to as the purple coneflower, is a popular herb widely recognized for its potential health benefits, particularly in boosting the immune system. Native to North America, this flowering plant has been used for centuries by indigenous populations to treat various ailments. In recent years, scientific studies have validated many of these traditional uses, leading to a resurgence in the popularity of Echinacea as a dietary supplement. This article explores the numerous health benefits of Echinacea, its mechanisms of action, and how to incorporate it into your wellness routine. 1. Immune system support. One of the most prominent benefits of Echinacea is its role in enhancing the immune system. The herb is believed to stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting off infections. Research has shown that Echinacea may reduce the duration and severity of colds and other respiratory infections. A meta-analysis published in the journal BMJ Open found that Echinacea can decrease the risk of catching a cold by up to 58 and reduce the duration of cold symptoms by 1.4 days. Mechanism of action. Echinacea contains various active compounds, including alkaloids, polysaccharides, and flavonoids, which are thought to contribute to its immune-boosting properties. These compounds may enhance the activity of immune cells, promote the release of cytokines, proteins that regulate immune responses, and increase the production of antibodies. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to numerous health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and autoimmune conditions. Echinacea has been shown to possess anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the body. A study published in the journal Pharmacognosy Reviews highlighted Echinacea's potential to inhibit inflammatory pathways, making it a valuable ally in managing inflammatory conditions. How it works. The anti-inflammatory effects of Echinacea are attributed to its ability to modulate the immune response. By balancing the production of pro-inflammatory and anti-inflammatory cytokines, Echinacea may help alleviate symptoms associated with chronic inflammation, such as pain and swelling. 3. Antioxidant benefits. Echinacea is rich in antioxidants, which are compounds that help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Free radicals can cause oxidative stress, leading to cellular damage and contributing to the aging process in various diseases. The antioxidants found in Echinacea, such as flavonoids and phenolic acids, help protect cells from oxidative damage and support overall health. The role of antioxidants. Antioxidants play a crucial role in maintaining health by reducing the risk of chronic diseases, supporting skin health, and boosting overall vitality. By incorporating Echinacea into your diet, you can harness its antioxidant properties to combat oxidative stress and promote longevity. 4. Potential cold and flu relief. Echinacea is most commonly associated with cold and flu relief, and for good reason. The herb is often used as a natural remedy to alleviate symptoms associated with upper respiratory infections. Studies have indicated that Echinacea may help reduce the severity and duration of cold symptoms, including sore throat, cough, and congestion. Usage in cold remedies. Echinacea can be consumed in various forms, including teas, capsules, tinctures, and extracts. Many people find that taking Echinacea at the onset of cold symptoms can provide relief and support the body's natural defenses. 5. Skin health and healing. Echinacea's beneficial properties extend beyond internal health. It also has applications for skin health. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties make it a popular ingredient in skincare products. Echinacea extracts can help soothe irritated skin, reduce redness, and promote healing in wounds and minor cuts. How to use Echinacea for skin. Topical applications of Echinacea can be found in creams, ointments, and serums designed to address various skin issues, including acne, eczema, and dry skin. Additionally, Echinacea can be consumed internally to support skin health from the inside out, thanks to its antioxidant properties. 6. Stress and anxiety relief. In today's fast-paced world, stress and anxiety have become common issues affecting many individuals. Echinacea may offer a natural solution to help manage these conditions. Some studies suggest that Echinacea can have mild anxiolytic anxiety-reducing effects, possibly due to its influence on neurotransmitters in the brain. Incorporating Echinacea for mental well-being. Using Echinacea as a supplement may promote relaxation and help reduce the physiological effects of stress. However, it's important to approach this benefit with caution and consult a healthcare professional, as individual responses to herbal remedies can vary. 7. Supporting respiratory health. Echinacea is not only effective for colds but also for overall respiratory health. The herb may help clear mucus from the airways, making it beneficial for individuals with respiratory issues such as bronchitis or asthma. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe irritated airways and promote easier breathing. Echinacea and respiratory infections. Incorporating Echinacea into your wellness regimen during allergy season or when respiratory infections are prevalent can support respiratory health and reduce discomfort. 8. Safety and considerations. While Echinacea is generally considered safe for most people, it's essential to use it wisely. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions, particularly those with allergies to plants in the daisy family Asteraceae. It's advisable to start with a lower dose and monitor your body's response. Consult with healthcare providers before adding Echinacea or any herbal supplement to your routine. Consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, or taking medications. They can provide personalized advice and ensure that Echinacea is appropriate for your individual health needs. 9. How to incorporate Echinacea into your routine. Echinacea is available in various forms, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Here are some popular ways to use Echinacea. Echinacea tea. Brew a soothing cup of Echinacea tea by steeping dried Echinacea leaves or flowers in hot water. Enjoy it warm, especially during cold and flu season. Echinacea capsules. For a convenient option, Echinacea capsules are available at health food stores. Follow the recommended dosage on the label. Tinctures and extracts. Liquid extracts of Echinacea can be taken directly or added to water or juice for a quick immune boost. Topical creams. Use Echinacea-infused creams or ointments for soothing skin irritations and promoting healing. Conclusion. Echinacea is a remarkable herb with a diverse range of health benefits, particularly in supporting the immune system, reducing inflammation, and promoting overall well-being. Its rich history of use, combined with modern scientific research, highlights its potential as a natural remedy for various health concerns. Whether you're looking to enhance your immune defense, relieve symptoms of colds, or support your skin health, Echinacea may be a valuable addition to your wellness routine. As with any supplement, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the best approach for your individual needs. Embrace the power of nature with Echinacea and unlock its myriad health benefits.